Alice, okay? Alice is 8 years old, Dave is 12, but when Dave is 27, how old is Alice? So guys, the time is up. Now this question, let me show you, it's actually really easy and many people will get this answer correct. Okay, so yes everybody, somehow for some reason today it is B again. Now let's have Jeffrey. So hello Jeffrey.
Hello.
So Jeffrey, we have two people here, Alice and Dave, okay? And let's find the age difference first. So what's 12 minus 8?
4.
4. And when Dave is 27, how old is Alice now? Who is older, Alice or Dave? If you just look at these two.
Dave.
Yeah. So Dave is 4 years older. This is the only thing that you need to know. Older. So that means, if Dave is 27, all we need to do is take away 4, which is what?
23.
Yes. So Alice will be 23. Very simple. We did this question in 5 seconds, didn't we, Jeffrey? So, since we know Dave is 4 years older, if Dave is 30 years old, how old is Alice?
Um. 23.
If Dave is 30, how much is older? Dave is how much older?
Um. 26.
Yes, that's right, Jeffrey. The age difference never changes. So it will be 26. Now, what happens when Alice is 50 years old? How old is Dave?
54.
Yeah, that's it. So all we need to know is the age difference. And we can find everybody's age. Isn't that easy, Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Yeah, you pick a number for Dave. Pick a number.
48.
48. Then how old is Amy when Dave is 48?
44.
That's it. Simple. All we had to do, Jeffrey, is find how much Dave is older. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good, Jeffrey. Thank you very much. Keep up the good work. And guys, does that make sense? It's very easy. All you need to do is know their age difference. Does that make sense, everybody? Yes, good. Yes, very good. So now let's have a look. The difference of ages between two people should always remain the same over time. We knew that. So we can use this to make this really, really quick. Okay, no spamming, guys. So now, guys, this year, Alice is 8 years old. Okay? Alice is 8 years old. Now, Jaden, remember, you need to let me know. You need to let me know if you have any problems, Jaden, not in the classroom group chat. Yes, Jaden, if you have any problems, you need to let me know by raising your hand up. You need to raise your hand if you have any problems, Jaden. Okay, so now. And Alice is 8 years old, and her dad is, 4 times as old as her. So what is the age difference between Alice and Dad 4 years ago? So guys, this is actually a really interesting question. Okay, so you need to first find out, okay, so if Alice is 8 years old, now that means her dad is how much? 4 times, so 8 times 4. So that means it will be 32. Now, okay, so what is their age difference? What's their age difference, guys? So what is 32 take away 8? So we need to borrow 12 minus 8 is 4, so it will be 24. So this is the most important thing that you need to find. It doesn't matter how old is Dad and Alice, we need to find the age difference. And the question is telling us, what was the age difference between Alice and Dad 4 years ago? Well, does the age difference change, guys? Does the age difference change? No. So the answer is 24. However, let me ask some people a specific question, guys. So if we are going back 4 years, okay, to the past, now, how old is Alice? Alice is obviously 4 years old. And now, guys, her dad, all we need to do is do 4 plus 24 because that's our age difference, which is 28. Okay, so let me find some people to, yes, Jackson. Hello, Jackson.
I just came.
Oh, very late, Jackson. So, do you know what's going on?
No.
No, so Jackson, you need to be on time. It's already more than 1 hour. So what's the reason why you came so late?
I had a shower.
Oh, okay, Jackson. Next time you need to come to class on time, okay? Where do you live, Jackson? In Australia or New Zealand? Where do you live?
Australia.
So you need to come to class at 5 o'clock in Australian time, okay?
At what?
At 5 o'clock always.
9 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Oh, okay, 5 o'clock.
Yes, it's not your first lesson, Jackson, so you should know, okay? It's because you came in so late, you don't have any idea what's going on. All right, so Jackson, unfortunately, you have to watch the replay for today's lesson and try your best to, I guess, try your best to make sure you understand as soon as possible. But it's going to be very hard, so please come to class on time, Jackson. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, don't worry, Jackson. Watch the replay; it's going to be good. Okay. All right. So now let me ask. Okay, Ricky. Hello, Ricky.
Hello.
So, Ricky, we know the age difference is 24. So, when Alice is 10 years old, how old is her dad?
34.
Yes, good. Because all we need to do is 10 plus 24. Good job, Ricky. And now let me ask Sophie. Hello, Sophie.
Hi.
So now, what if dad is 54 years old? How old is Alice?
30.
30, very good. How did you do it? 54 take away 24 because that's the age difference. Well done, Sophie. Thank you very much. And as you can see, guys, if we know the age difference, we can find any age. So, Jaden. Hello, Jaden.
Hi.
So, if Alice is 21 years old, how old is Dad?
45.
Good. All we need to do is add 24. Do you understand?
Yes.
So all we need to do is find the age difference, Jaden. So well done. All right, so now let's have Kathy. Yes, Kathy. Now, what if Dad is 60 years old? How old is Alice?
Um.
What's the age difference, Kathy?
Equals 36.
Good, 36. Because all you need to do is 60 take away 24, which is 36. Good job, Kathy. Do you understand? Is everything okay?
Yes.
Good. Well done, Kathy. Thank you. So, guys, like I said, if you know the age difference, we can find any age for any year. Okay? All right, so very good, guys. So now this is your turn to do this question. Read the question carefully and always try to find the age difference, guys. Okay, you guys can start now. Okay, guys, the time is now up. And as you can see, guys, now, if you didn't get this question right, then you didn't read the question carefully enough, okay? Because the answer is C. Now, let's have Benson. Hello, Benson.
Hello.
Hi, Benson. So now, can you read the question for me?
This year, Luke is 10 years old and his sister is 3 times old as him. What was the age difference between Luke and his sister 3 years ago?
Now, so we need to find the age difference. And does the age difference change over time?
Mm-hmm.
Does it change?
No.
No. So let's find their age difference. So right now, Luke is 10 years old and sister is 3 times older. So how do we find sister's age?
By 10 times 3.
Good, which equals to?
30.
30. So what's the age difference?
20.
The age difference will be 30 take away 10, which is 20. Well done, Benson. So what will be the age difference 3 years ago?
20.
That's right, it doesn't change. What will be the age difference 10 years later?
20.
Exactly. What about 50 years later?
20.
Yes, that's right, Benson. So do you understand? So all we need to find was the age difference. It doesn't matter how many years ago or how many years after. It will never change. So good job, Benson. Thank you very much. And does that make sense to everybody as well? The age difference never changes, guys. It never changes. Yeah? And Ricky, do you understand? Iris. Yeah? Good. Yes, now that's right, Alex. No more B. And now, yes, that's right, Sophie. And then, given the sum and difference of two numbers, guys, can we find the two numbers if we just know the sum and difference? We have learned to solve it by using the bar model before together, guys, and in the same way, we will know the sum and difference of age of two people if we can use this method. All right? So, guys, the sum of two numbers is 25. Okay? So if we add two numbers, it's 25. But when we find the difference of two numbers, it's 3. Yeah? So what's the smaller number between the two numbers, guys? So we need to, I want you guys to stop guessing and checking, okay? No more guess and check. All you need to do is, okay, because we have a difference, guys, you need to understand we have a small number and we have a big number, okay? And this equals to 25 for the first topic. And now, when we do big number take away small number, it will be 3. Okay, so now, so let's use the bar model, small and big. I am going to draw a bar like this, guys, okay? And same bar like this. And now, you should understand big number is bigger, so we need to add a little bit more. But how much more do we need to put? Well, the difference is 3, guys. 3. And now, if we add these two numbers, we get 25. But remember, guys, how about we just take away this 3 for a second? That means we need to take away 3 as well, and we get 22. And now we have two same bars. these two should add up to 22. So when we do 22 divided by 2, we get 11. So each of these long bars should be 11. And if we put this back to the place for big, the big number is actually 14. And the small number is 11. And you can check our answer. Is 11 plus 14 25? Yes, it is. Is 14 take away 11 3? Yes, it is. So this is how you find the small and big number, guys. Does that make sense, everybody? Yes, that's right. I'm very happy you remember this, Sherlock. Yes, everybody should know this because we did this long time ago. So yes, even Jackson remembers. Very good. So guys, Cindy is 3 years older than Mike. Now, the sum of their ages is 23. How old are they, respectively? So guys, let's write down a few things together. We have Mike and Cindy. Okay, and now let's draw two same. No, guys, we learned this year, not even last year. So a few weeks ago. So, but who is older? Who is bigger? So who's bigger, guys? Cindy or Mike? Cindy. So we need to put an extra block for Cindy. And how much older is Cindy, guys? How much older? 3. Yes. And if we add them together, guys, if we add them together, what is their sum? 23. So now, why don't we take away this 3 for a second? Then 23 take away 3 equals to how much, everybody? 20. And now we have two same bars. So what do we need to do, guys? Divide, yes. So 20 divided by 2